So today I am going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows, so how I groom them, and then also how I fill them in, how I do them when I'm wearing makeup, and all that jazz. Now, I understand I am not a professional in any way, and I'm also not that great at doing eyebrows. I just thought that it might be helpful for some of you who don't know how to do eyebrows at all. You know, they can be a little bit tricky at times, but I feel like this is a very simple way of going about it, a very beginner type eyebrow tutorial. Also, if you would like to see how I did this makeup look, click the link in the description. Alright, let's get into these brows. So here is my lovely no makeup face. I'm taking this spoolie. Fun fact, I actually took this for free from Sephora. And I'm also taking these nail scissors. You can get these in any like nail grooming kit. And then I am brushing up my eyebrow hairs as much as possible, and this is a little bit more difficult for me than it should be. And I am brushing them all up with the spoolie and then cutting along the top of that. So I'm brushing them up until I just see a little bit of the edge, and then I am cutting those ends off to make everything more even and less messy. Next, taking some tweezers. I think I bought these at Forever 21, so you can literally just get tweezers wherever. I am just plucking out the hairs that don't really fit within the shape of my eyebrows, if that makes any sense. So I'm not creating a new shape with my eyebrows, I'm pretty much just grooming them. So I am pulling out any hairs that look out of place, and I'm also plucking any hairs that are in between my eyebrows as well. So now that I've finished grooming my eyebrows, I am going to finish my face of makeup and then go in with this e.l.f. eyebrow duo, and I think this is actually a lip brush, but I like to use it for my eyebrows. It's just a small flat angled brush. I'm going in with the gel shade. I personally prefer the gel, and I am aligning the bottom of my eyebrow so I can kind of see where I want the shape to begin, and then I am doing little tiny strokes along my eyebrow and pulling a little bit longer of a tail at the end there to make it look a little bit longer and a little bit fuller. And then, as you can see, I am going upward with my strokes when I get toward the front of my eyebrow, and this is just going to create just a little bit of a fade, which is going to look a lot more natural than if you were to just fill it in. And that's pretty much it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It really supports my channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more.